Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I am with this G subject, and as you know that we have completed 2 units from this book. So now it's time to go for G and start unit number 3, that is pastime. In this video we'll go for exercise, this textual exercise, explanation about all the tenses I have given to you all. So now we just have to fill the exercise from these books. So let's start it. So now I am here on page number 16, focus exercise A. I am going for that. What is the exercise is about? Let's see. Fill in the blanks with the simple past or past continuous form of the verbs in bracket. So here what we have to do, as our unit name is pastime, so what we have to do is we have to fill this blank only with the help of past tense, and which two tenses are you are told to use is simple past or past continuous. Means only these two tenses you have to use during this filling of the blanks. Let's start. First is the boy blank to each other when Rahul blank into the room. Here we have two blank and in bracket two verbs are given. What we have to do is we have to use the past form of those verbs. But here in this first blank we should use that continuous past continuous tense, and in second of the first blank we use simple past tense. So answer of first is were talking, as boys is plural form, and second we have came. So I am writing here answer. First is were talking, and in first secondly it is came. Okay. Secondly it is second Rahul blank cricket when the ball blank him. Again here we have two blank and play and hit is given. So we'll use Rahul was playing, and in second the ball hit him. So secondly the answer is was playing and it is hit. Number 3 is he blank an email when the bell blanked. So again we have two blanks. So we will use first that past continuous, and secondly we will use past simple past. So he blank means he was writing an email when the bell rang. Rang is the past form of ring. So number 3 is he was writing and it is rang. Number 4 it is his father blanked the car when he blanked home. So clean and get is given. So his father was cleaning the car when he blanked home. So in this get, the past form of get is got. See why we are using only past continuous in first blank and simple past in second place. So if you have noticed that here we have two clauses conjuncted with when. So when we have this kind of situation in exercise, at that time generally we use past continuous and simple past together. That's why we are using here past continuous and simple past together. So number 4 is his father was cleaning. So number 4 is was cleaning, and the past form of get is got. Number 5 is Riya blank when she blank her ankle. So here we again have two blanks, and the same thing we have to do is Riya was exercising when she sprained her ankle. So was exercising, here I am writing and sprain is given, so the answer is sprained. Past form of sprain is sprained. Number 6 is he blank to finish his work before his sister blank. So here we don't have when but we have before. It means here also we have two clauses conjuncted with before. The same thing will apply here. So in first, he blank was trying to finish his work before his sister arrived. So in first it was trying, and in next it is arrived. Number 7, Rahul blank down the road with his dog when he blank his cousins driving past. So it is was walking and so. So number 7 it is was walking and so. Number 8 is while Rahul blank at barber shop, his neighbor's son blank into the same shop. So sit and walk is given. So will you use was sitting and walked. So number 8 it is was sitting and it is walked. So this is focus exercise A with 8 blanks. Now you have some time to note down this thing in your book. Now we'll go for practice exercise A. Which is on the page number 17. Practice exercise A, page number 17. What is this exercise is about? Let's see. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate past form of the verbs in bracket. Again here blanks are given, and what we have to do is we have to fill these blanks with past form of the verbs. Which tense we have to use is not given here. So we have to be careful while we are filling these blanks. But here the paragraphs are given, not this individual blank. Let's see. I am reading here from paragraph number 1. Lord Ching said, I blanked billiards at the club with my friends. So here play is given, and we will use here past continuous. So we will use was playing. So in first it is was playing. Now second, the same paragraph second. I blanked to the club by 3 p.m. and didn't leave until 6. You can ask the staff there. Now what happened? See, and didn't leave until 6 means here didn't is simple past tense. So we have to use simple past tense in this blank. So what is the simple past tense form of get? So it is got. So in second we'll use got. Now second paragraph. Master Jing said, I was out too. I blanked kites in the park with my friends. So again here fly is given and we'll use was flying. So this is paragraph number 1. This is paragraph number 2. Was flying. I left the park only when Auntie blanked to share the news at 5 p.m. I came over right away. So see, left is simple past tense, came is also simple past tense. So here we use cold, which is the past form of cold. So secondly it is cold. Now I am going to start paragraph number 3. The cook said, I blanked a cake in the kitchen. It took me several hours to make the rose petal ruffle around the cake. It is ready now. So here that cook is telling something and we'll use here that past continuous. So I was decorating. In paragraph number 3, we have only one blank, so now we'll go for paragraph number 4. The driver said our car had a flat tire yesterday. I blanked the puncture tire in the garage. It is fixed now. So here we are talking about yesterday, and the driver was doing that thing, means that action was continuing in the past. That's why we will use here past continuous, that is was repairing. So the answer is was repairing. Now I am doing that exercise, extension exercise A. Again we have blanks here, but what to do in this blank, let's see. Fill in the blanks with simple past or present perfect tense of the verbs given in bracket. Use negative forms where not is given. The first one has been done for you. So here in this extension exercise A, what we have to do is we have to use simple past tense or present perfect tense. Remember, we are dealing past tense, but though we are told here to use present perfect tense, and when not is given we have to use negative form. First one is an example, let's see. Stephen blank his studies 3 years ago. So here finish is given and finished is the right answer. Before we start these blanks, here below these blanks in box something is given. Let's see what it is. Remember, we use present perfect to refer to a complete action that has some connection to the present. So where we use present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense we use when action has already been completed in the past, but the effect of the action is still continue in the present at that time. And in that situation we use present perfect tense. We use simple past when the past action is not directly linked to the present, and when we use simple past is used when past action means action has already been completed in the past and the action doesn't have any kind of connection or link in the present. This is the difference between present perfect and simple past. So keep this thing in your mind while you are filling this blank. Let's see number 2. Jai blank to Australia last year. So last year is given, that shows past, simple past tense. So we'll use emigrated here. So secondly the answer is emigrated. Which is simple past tense. Number 2, Jai blank us to visit him. When shall we go? So here that when shall we go is a future tense, but here Jai has given invitation to us to visit their Australia. So it means invitation has already been given to us, and that invitation is still there with us. So here we'll use present perfect tense. So we'll use Jai is third person singular, so we'll use here has plus invited. So third it is Jai has invited. Number 4, we blank a vacation in 6 years. It is time we took one. Here see not is given, so we'll have to use negative form. Again it is present perfect tense, so we'll use we have not taken. So number 4 it is have not taken. Number 5, till now 4 of our friends blank Jai in Australia. Now here let's see what this blank is about. Till now, it means already till now word suggests present perfect tense. It is the key word for present perfect tense. So no doubt here we are going to use present perfect tense. Here what have to do? 4 of our friends. It means plural form of the subject is given, so we'll use have. Have visited is the right answer. Number 6, it blank heavily for 4 hours yesterday. Okay, here yesterday is given, it means it is simple past tense. So we'll use the past form of rain, that is rained. So number 6 is rained. So this is extension exercise A. Here in on board you have practice exercise A and extension exercise A. Now you have some time to fill this blank in your book. Okay students, so here we have ended this unit number 3. Now we'll go for future time, that is unit number 4. In this unit also we'll go for exercise, explanation of the tenses I have given in earlier videos. So let's start practice exercise A, which is on page number 18. Again we have blanks here. Focus exercise A. In this unit we have 4 types of different future tenses. The explanations you have with you. Now in the forest Vivek met a baboon who was a fortune teller. Here is what the baboon told him. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in the bracket. The first one has been done for you. So now what you have to do is, here we have given a small story of Vivek. Vivek was in the forest and he just met a baboon. Baboon was a future teller, mean that person or that the future was being told to Vivek. It means here we have to use only future tense. Let's see. See, first one is an example. Next year you blank a dragon in a forest. So meet is given, so will meet is the answer. Secondly, the dragon blank your friend. So again in this we will use that simple future tense. So the answer is will become. So practice focus exercise A. Answer number 2. That is will become. Number 3. You blank on many adventures together. Again we'll use here simple future tense, so will go. Number 4 is the dragon blank you to other dragons. It means will introduce. And number 5 is he blanked you to many places you have not been to before. Again here we have to use future simple future tense, so will take is the right answer. Now we'll go for focus exercise B, which is on page number 19. Fill in the blanks with future continuous tenses. Tense form of the verb given in bracket. Only future continuous tense means will plus be plus ing you have to use. During the coming holidays we blank a wildlife sanctuary. So visit is given, so will be visiting. Is the answer. Secondly, I planned this project work by next week. So here future continuous of complete have to use, so will be completing. Number 3, in 2 days time my cousin blank as a fashion designer, so will be working. Number 4, it is they blanked our house during this festive season. Here negative we have to use, so they will not be coming. So they will not be coming. Number 5, it is Dr. Shaina blank her own clinic in a month's time, so will be starting. So this is for that focus exercise B, which is on page number 19. You have some time to note down this A and B exercise in your book. Okay student, now go for another exercise. It is practice exercise. Page number 19. See, here only instruction is given, and let's see what we have to do. What are your plans for this week? Think of 7 things you will have done by next Saturday and write them here. Okay, so here we have to write our plans about this week. In these 7 days, what you are just going to do, that is you have to mention here in this 7 blank. So we'll go for one by one, and here we'll use only simple future tense as we are talking about next week. So first on Monday we'll write on Monday I will go to visit a temple which is there near my house. So this will do on Monday. Second, what on Tuesday I will clean my room. On Wednesday we will go for a movie. On Thursday I will make my science project. On Friday I will read a novel. First note down this, I'll go for that. Now what I do on Saturday and Sunday. So number 6 is on Saturday I will complete my homework and on Sunday I will play with my friends. So here this practice exercise A with 7 planning of our week. Now you have some time to note down this thing. Let's see next and last exercise what it is about. I am talking about practice exercise B, which is already there on page number 19. Where will you be in 2030? Think of 5 things you will have done or completed by then and 5 more things you will be doing then. Write them here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to imagine that we are on 2030 and by then what will you have been completed, means which actions or which task will you have been completed by 2030. 5 things you have to note down that here and 5 more things you will be doing then. And after that what will you be doing? That 5 things you have to use. It means for first 5 things we have to use future perfect tense and for second 5 things you will have to use future continuous tense. So first 5 things I am writing here, second 5 things you have to do in your homework. So first 5 things which you will have done by 2030 is, so I will have bought a big house. So here we have used this will have bought. It means here we have used future perfect tense. Secondly, I will have completed my master degree by 2023. Number 3, I with my family have shifted to the other country by 2016. Number 4, I will have gone to the world tour by then. One thing is still remain. First, note down these 4 things. That one thing I am writing here. Number 5 and last thing, what? I will have finished all my duties by 2030. So this is practice exercise B. The 5 things by 2030 we have I will have completed. Now your homework is I am writing your homework here. Practice exercise B, that 5 things. Means that another 5 things of practice exercise B you have to write in this given space, and in that you have to use this future continuous tense for 5 things, just like this, but use future continuous tense in those things. So here the homework is written. We'll meet again in next video. Till then, take care.